question. This question is also similar. Question number 9. Modern Marbles Limited was registered with an authorized capital of rupees 10 lakh divided into 7,500 equity shares of 100 each and 2,500 preference shares of 100 each. So this is authorized share capital. Okay. 1,000 equity shares and 509% preference shares were offered. Question number 9. 1,000 equity shares and 509% preference shares are offered to the public of rupees 100 of rupees 100 of rupees 100. Okay. Equity shares payable 10 on application, 40 on allotment, 10 on application, 40 on allotment, and the balance in two calls of rupees 25. Means on first call 25, on second and final call 25. In this way 100 rupees is received. Okay, dear children, this is what the question. And then all the shares were applied and allotted. One more thing, preference shares are payable at the rate of 25 on application, 25 on allotment, and 50 on first and final call. It means preference share 25 rupees is payable on application, 25 is payable on allotment, and remaining 50 is applicable on first and final call. So in this way 100 rupees is received from preference share. I hope this question is clear here in front of you. Prepare cash book. So it will be very easy because we are preparing cash book. So entries of cash are recorded in cash book. Pass necessary journal entries to record the above issue of shares and show how the share capital will appear in the balance sheet. Okay, I will do. So first I will prepare cash book, dear children. Credit side, when we receive cash, we record in debit side. Now tell me here. At the time of application, what is received? Equity share money. How much? 1,000 into 10. Yes or no? So we write here in the debit side to equity share application. 1,000 into 10. How much? 10,000 is received. Is that clear? Then money is received for preference share also. Application. So to preference 9%. Preference share application 500 into 25. 25 5 ja 125. So 12,500. Is that clear? Then we will receive money at the time of allotment. First we receive money for allotment. So to equity share allotment. To equity share allotment. Now at the time of allotment 40 rupees is there. So 1,000 into 40. 40,000 is received for the allotment of equity share. And then time comes for preference share allotment to 9% preference share allotment. Okay, so 500 into 25. Again 12,500 rupees is recorded in the debit side. Now the time for first call comes. Okay, so you can see to equity share first call. Equity share first call, how much money is received? 1,000 into 25. Yes, so 25,000. And then we need to receive first and final call money of preference share to 9% preference share first and final call. You can write first and final call. Okay, so how much? 50 rupees. first and final call. So 500 into 50, 5 5 is 25. So it would be 25,000. There is one more thing which is left, the second and final call of equity share which is to be received. 2. Equity share second and final call. 2 equity share second and final call. How much? 1000 into 25. Again 25,000 will come. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, children. Let's do the total. Do the total.
Sir, 1,50,000.
Yes, 1,50,000. Where it will be transferred?
To balance carried down.
By
By
balance.
balance.
Carried down. From here, where it will go? In balance sheet. It will go in cash and cash equivalent in balance sheet in current assets. Is that clear? So now journal entries are required. So let us do journal entries for all these points. Okay, other than cash. So first we pass journal entry for application. Bank account debit to application will not come. It is recorded here. Now we pass entry for transferring. Okay. So equity share application account debit 9% preference share application account debit to equity share capital. We can pass entry separately also, children. I have written combined, but you can pass separate entry also to 9% preference share capital. Okay. So what is the entry for equity share application? 10,000 and 12,500. So 10,000 and 12,500. 10,000 and 12,500. I hope this is clear to everyone. Being share application money is transferred to share capital account. Yes, children. I hope it is clear. So entry for application is over. Now let us pass entry for allotment. Second entry. So equity share allotment account debit 9% preference share allotment account debit to equity share capital and to 9% preference share capital. Okay, let us check the amount. It is given in the cash book. Allotment 40,000 and preference share 12,500. So 40,000 and 12,500. 40,000 and 12,500 being share allotment money is due. When we have received money, we have recorded in cash book, isn't it? Then third entry is for first call, isn't it? So equity share first call account debit 9% preference share first and final call account debit to equity share capital and to 9% preference share capital. Okay, so let's check the amount. For first call 25 and for preference share also 25,000. So 25,000 will be debited. Okay. I hope all these entries are clear to everyone. It is very simple and general. Okay. Being first call money is due when it is received, for that cash account is prepared. Okay. Then fourth entry is passed for second call, second and final call. So equity share, second and final call account debit to equity share capital. How much? It is mentioned 25,000. 25,000 being second and final call money is due. I hope all these entries are clear to everyone. In this question, we need to prepare balance sheet also. See how it will come. In equity and liabilities heading, the first main head is shareholder fund. Shareholders fund. Under shareholder fund, the first heading is share capital. Subheading is share capital. We write note number in note column. Then we explain. But in this question now, whole money is subscribed. Yes or no? Whole money is subscribed. You can see the total is given in cash book 1,50,000. It means whole money is received. So 1,50,000 is recorded in front of share capital. This is issued and also subscribed. And then what to do? In asset side, there are two columns, non-current assets and current assets. Non-current assets are not given here. There is another main heading, current assets. Children, under current asset, there is one heading, cash and cash equivalent. Second number, isn't it? How much will come? 1,50,000 will come. Is that clear to everyone?